Hi, my name is Maria. I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to show you how to use number lines to show given fractional amounts. So if you're given the fractional amount of 4 and 1/4, for example, then on the number line, you know that this is between the numbers 4 and 5, because you just take the whole number you're given and go up to the next one. So let's skip to 4 and pretend that's 4 right there. If I'm looking for 1/4, then the way that I want to represent my number line is with 4 spaces before I get to the 5. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and we're going to make this line our 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces between the 5. So if I'm looking for 1/4, I'm just going to the first little notch after that, and that represents 4 and 1/4. And then by the same token, I can represent 4 and 2/4 right here, 4 and 3/4 right there. If I wanted to do bigger fractions, sometimes they can be reduced. So if I had the fraction of, let's say, 2/10, then I can look at that as 1/5. And this time I would just want 5 notches to be between 5 and, well, whatever number it is. So let's say it was 4 and 1/5. I'd want to change it so that there's 5 notches in between. So the denominator is the amount of spaces that you want to be able to go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the numerator is where you want to go ahead and put your dot. My name is Maria, and I just showed you how to use a number line to represent the given fractional amount.